Kung gusto mo dumami yung matches mo sa dating apps, please lang, make sure that your photos are high quality and it displays status, high value status. So, dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how you can improve your dating apps, how to improve your matches, your likes, and how to, how to improve your matches into high quality or high value women. So, I'm Jobs and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. So, pag-uusapan natin dito is your dating profile app. Now, siguro nagtataka ka bakit ang onti ng matches mo or kung may matches man, hindi siya napupunta sa date. This is because dating app is a war zone. Kumbaga, war zone yan. Andyan yung battlefield. Sobrang dami mong kakompetition. Sobrang dami ng babae pero sobrang dami mong kakompetition. Now, in order for you to have an edge for those sa mga kalaban mo, sa competition mo, you need to be above average, at least above average. Kailangan yung profile mo is nagsa-stand out kaysa sa iba. So in this video, tuturuan kita on how to make your profile stand out para mas dumami yung matches mo. Number 1 is make sure high quality yung pictures. High quality yung pictures, ibig sabihin maganda yung lighting, maganda yung pagkakakuha, hindi blurred, hindi madilim, something that something na parang kinunan gamit DSLR. Parang ganon. So, always make sure your photos are high quality kasi dun ang dating app is looks based. Okay, sobrang looks based. Kaya nga, medyo ayoko ng dating app kasi looks based eh. So, mas okay sa atin kung mas lamang ang babae sa dating app. So, I always suggest na mag-approach na lang kasi para ma-judge tayo sa personality based on our looks. All right? Number 2 is make sure that you convey your lifestyle. So hindi lang puro selfie mo, hindi lang puro mukha mo. Make sure that you are showcasing your lifestyle. Kung mahilig ka magmotor, maglagay ka ng picture mo na nagmomotor ka. Kapag mahilig ka magbasketball, maglagay ka ng picture mo na nagbabasketball ka or nakabasketball ka. So always convey your lifestyle. Kapag nag-business ka, pakita mo yung business mo, pakita mo yung sarili mo, work on your business. Alright? Number 3 is make sure you have a picture na kapag anong itsura mo kapag nakikipag-date ka. Okay? Kapag nakikipag-date ka, anong itsura mo? Naka-polo shirt ka ba? Naka-long sleeves ka ba? Naka-suit and tie ka ba? This will help her to paint a picture kung anong itsura mo kapag magde-date na kayo. So, in that way, mahilig sila mag-imagine eh. In that way, makikita ka nila sa isip nila na someone, uy, ito pala itsura niya, pogi kapag nakikipag-date. Mga ganyan. And lastly, sex appeal. Maglagay kayo ng photo that shows your sex appeal. Topless, nakasando, nasa beach, ganyan. So, I want you, kung gusto mong tumaas yung matches mo, I want you to make an effort for your fitness. So, start working out. Because in that way, mas magkakaroon kayo ng edge sa dating app. Makikita ka niya as potential mate or potential partner. Sobrang laking tulong ng working out. Not only na dadami yung matches mo, but it will improve your confidence sa sarili mo. So, parang second order effect na nga lang yung mas maraming matches sa dating app eh. Because confidence, magkakaroon ka ng confidence when you do fitness. So, I hope this helps. I hope this video helps. I hope magkaroon ka ng maraming matches. But I highly suggest that you do approach and siguro do approach 80% of the time and then swipe lang kayo sa dating app 20% of the time because sobrang daming competition doon. And if mag-dating app man kayo, make sure you have the photos, you have high quality photos and you convey your lifestyle, you convey your style and also you convey your sexual appeal. So yun lang.